You want to see what I've got in the oven? Ooh, it's hot. Here they come. Fresh out of the oven. Let's get cooking. Hello, friends. Welcome back to Kids Storytime with KK. If you weren't able to make it to the library today, I'm really glad you're joining us here. Let's get cooking. We'll start out all our story times with our hello song, and it goes like this. Hello, friend. Hello, friend. Hello, friend. It's time to say hello. Hello, friends. This is one of my very favorite books. Not sure if you've read it or not before, but it's called Dragons Love Tacos, and it's by Adam Rubin. Let's get started. Why do dragons love tacos? Maybe it's the smell from the sizzling pan. Maybe it's the crunch of the crispy tortillas. Maybe it's a secret. Either way, if you want to make friends with a dragon, tacos are the key. Hey dragon, why do you guys love tacos so much? But wait, as much as dragons love tacos, they hate spicy salsa even more. They hate spicy green salsa and spicy red salsa. They hate spicy chunky salsa and spicy smooth salsa. If the salsa is spicy at all, dragons can't stand it. Why do dragons hate spicy salsa? Well, just one drop of hot sauce makes a dragon's ears smoke. Just one single speck of hot pepper makes dragons snort sparks. Spicy salsa gives dragons the tummy troubles. And when dragons get the tummy troubles, oh boy. If you want to make tacos for dragons, keep the toppings mild. Tomatoes, check. Lettuce, check. Cheese, check. There are all good things for tacos for dragons. Hey dragon, how do you feel about spicy taco toppings? Ugh. Look at that dragon. Dragons love parties. They like costume parties and pool parties. They like big gigantic parties with accordions and tiny little parties with charades. Why do dragons love parties? Maybe it's the conversation. Maybe it's the dancing. Maybe it's the comforting sound of a good friend's laughter. The only thing dragons love more than parties, or tacos, is taco parties. Taco parties are parties with lots of tacos. If you want to have some dragons over for a taco party, you need buckets of tacos. Pant loads of tacos. The best way to judge is to get a boat and fill that boat with tacos. That's about how many tacos dragon needs for a taco party. After all, dragons love tacos. Hey dragon, are you excited for the big taco party? Look at that smile. Just remember, dragons hate spicy salsa. Before you host your taco party with dragons, get rid of all the spicy salsa. In fact, bury the spicy salsa in the backyard so the dragons can't find it. These dragons love your taco party. They love the music, they love the decorations, they especially love the tacos. Congratulations. It's a good thing that you got rid of all that spicy... Oh, wait a second. What are those little green things in the salsa? You didn't read the fine print. See all the little green things? What's the fine print say? Mild salsa Now with spicy jalapeno peppers. Eee! What's gonna happen? Dragons, listen to me. Do not eat those tacos. Those little green specks in the salsa, those are jalapeno peppers. They are super spicy. I know you love tacos, dragons, but you are not gonna love those tacos. Do not let those dragons eat the tacos. Crunch, 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 crunch. Too late. Fire everywhere. Oh no! They burnt the whole house down. That is some seriously spicy salsa. Why would dragons help you rebuild your house? Maybe they're good Samaritans. Maybe they feel bad for wrecking it. Maybe they're just in it for the taco breaks. After all, dragons love tacos. Yay! Okay, now we're gonna sing a song about food, and it's called Go Bananas. And it goes like this. Form the apple, form the apple, form the apple, form the apple, slice the apple, slice the apple, slice the apple, slice the apple, eat the apple, eat the apple, eat the apple, eat the apple, form the orange, form the orange, form the orange, form the orange, peel the orange, peel the orange, peel the orange, peel the orange, squeeze the orange, squeeze the orange, squeeze the orange, squeeze the orange, form banana, form banana, form banana, form banana, peel banana, peel banana, peel banana, peel banana, go bananas, go bananas, go bananas, go bananas. Woo! That was a good one. Well, guess what, friends? I have a special guest here that you may know, and he lives in this little box. Do you know who this might be? You guessed it. It's our friend Oliver. Do you want to see if he'll come out of the box and read a story to us today? Let's see. He's sleeping. Can you call his name? We'll do it together. Oliver, come on out. It's working. He's starting to move. Okay, come on out, little guy. All right. Come on. Here he is. Come on out. Hello, Oliver. Again? Buddy, you forgot your glasses. Let's see. Okay, I'll get them out. Oh, here they are. You know, how are you supposed to read a book to us today if you don't have your glasses on?
Hello, everybody. I'm very excited to read a book to you today.
All right. What book are you going to read to us, Oliver?
I'm going to read a book about a slug who wishes he was a snail.
Okay, awesome. And that book is right here. It is called Norman the Slug with the Silly Shell. Read by Oliver.
Norman the Slug with the Silly Shell by Sue Headdress. Norman the Slug thought snails were great. Wow, said Norman. Look at them. They're amazing. But unfortunately, the snails didn't think Norman was great. Whee! Crash! Norman, you silly slug, they cried. You spoiled our fun. This only works if you've got a shell. Norman felt left out. Sadly, he sulked off into the moonlight. If only I had a shell of my own, he sighed, looking at his reflection. And that's when he had an idea. Maybe I could have a shell after all, he thought. But finding a shell was not as easy as it seemed. One was too bouncy, boing. One was too noisy, and one was already taken. Norman needed time to think. Ta-da! A shell! It was perfect. Norman had never been happier. He could join the snails at last. Norman loved being a snail, and the snails loved Norman's silly shell. But the fun didn't last for long. Suddenly, there was a loud flapping of wings. "Look out! Bird!" cried the snails in panic. "Quick, slither for your lives, or we'll end up as supper." But the bird was more interested in Norman's silly shell. It looked delicious. Norman was being carried up, up and away, higher and higher into the sky. What could he do? Norman did the only thing a slug could do. He made slime. Lots and lots of it. With a slither and a slother, a slip and a slide, Norman was free. But he was falling faster and faster and faster until... plonk! Norman, are you okay?" asked the snails. "Wow," said Norman, "that was great. I love flying. If only I had wings." Ta-da!
All right, Oliver, bye. That was really fun spending time with Oliver and spending time with you. If you like this channel, subscribe. There's a button down there, and it lets you know every time I post a new video. But now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, friend. Goodbye, friend. Goodbye, friend. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, friends. Thank you for spending time with me.